So let's make a crane. We'll start off with our origami paper. And we're going to do some pre-folding. 3 initial folds. 1 into triangle. We'll make another triangle. There we go. And then a smaller triangle. And the crisper you can make your folds, the better it will be later. There we go. So now we're going to unfold our triangle till we get to the big triangle again. And then we're going to kind of make like a paper airplane. Just like this. Only 4 more preliminary folds to make. There's 1. We'll unfold that. Here's 2. Coming right up to that edge. Now we're going to unfold the whole thing and make the triangle on the other axis. Just like that. And then we'll do another kind of airplane fold here. Remember, you can pause this video at any time and reverse it if you need to replay it. And if you get tired of my voice, just turn the sound off. There we go. All right, and remember, make those folds nice and crisp. All right, so that was our 7 preliminary folds, and you can kind of see this kind of cool pattern of folds that you have. So now we'll start folding our crane. So we'll fold that, just like that. So now we're going to reverse a fold here. You can see this little square that's outlined. So we're going to go right to this point here. And then we're going to go up here like this. There we go. All right, so you see what we've done. We're going to do the same to the other side. Here we go. We'll push that up, and we're going to reverse the fold right here in the middle, making a little square. So you should have a square that has these flaps on the inside. Now what you want to make sure to do is to have your open side of this square facing you. So you want it to face you, and you can see that there's going to be this kite shape that you can form from these folds that you already made. See, just like that. All right. And then if you make a little fold here, that will help you to do the next step. So you're going to unfold this, and what you'll do is you'll take the top layer. So remember, this is still, the open side is facing you, and you're going to reverse these folds that you made your kite from, that kite shape. You're going to reverse those folds, and you're going to go up like that. There. We're going to do the same to the other side. Like this. Here's your kite shape. Just make those folds, making your kite. All right. Unfold that. Take that top layer. Go to that point and reverse these folds right here and here, going right along that line that formed the kite. All right. So you've got this skinny diamond shape. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take, so you've got these two legs here. You're going to take the top layer of one of the legs and you're going to fold that right to the, almost to the center. It doesn't have to be to the center. In fact, if it doesn't go to the center, it'll make it easier in future steps. So we're going to just go around and do this 4 times. Twice on this side. I'm going to flip it over. We're going to do it again on the other side, almost to the center, making it nice and pointy, each leg. Here we go. All right. So then what you can do is reverse each side to make the tail. So you're going to open up this part here. You're going to push this up and reverse this fold. So one side can be the tail and one side can be the head. And then we'll fold this down. Here's a wing. We'll flip that over. Here's another wing. Kind of line those up a little bit. So we'll make the head and the beak like that. A lot of these reverse folds doing this. There we go. And so if you want, you can kind of pull these apart carefully, kind of form the body. Or if you didn't want to do that, you could just have the pointed body and that would be okay. So there you have it, the crane fold. Make 1,000 of those and your wishes will come true. Thanks for watching.